Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your Amerihome mortgage account. So go ahead and open Google in your Edge or Chrome browser and then search for Amerihome mortgage login. Now click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can go scroll down and see Amerihome Servicing. Click on Amerihome Servicing and it will lead you to the login page of Amerihome Mortgage. After the page loads, you can see the login option in the page. You can write down your username, your password, and after you're done, you can click remember my username, and the next time you log into your account, you will not need to write down your username or your password. After that, tick on the I agree to the user and privacy policy and then log in. If you don't have an account, you can simply click on this link which says register your account. Go ahead and write down your last name, your SSN number, your date of birth and your email address. Press next and then create an account for yourself. So it's quite simple, guys. Go to Amerihome Mortgage, go to my account and then go to Amerihome Mortgage Servicing. So tap on this icon over here. It will lead you to the login page of Amerihome Mortgage, from which you can log into your account after you enter your username and password. If you have in case forgotten your username or password, click into these links and then type your SSN number and your email ID and click recover. After that, a mail will be sent to you by Amerihome Mortgage and then you can recover your account very easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.